A lot of people ask me if they can get stuck in hypnosis. And I can tell you that in the whole history of hypnosis, nobody has ever got stuck in hypnosis before. Hypnosis is a do-with process, and so all hypnosis is self-hypnosis, and you have to just follow the instructions. And so if you are in a hypnotic state and let's say you're remote on Zoom and you're doing a session with somebody and you're in the middle of a session and you're hypnotized and you lose your connection. And that's where people are the most concerned, is that you'll get stuck there. In fact, with QHHT hypnosis, they have made it a rule that you cannot practice QHHT online at all because it's too much of a risk of people getting disconnected and the problems associated with getting stuck in hypnosis. But people don't get stuck in hypnosis. You can't be stuck in hypnosis. And the worst thing that can happen to somebody when that kind of thing happens is that you wake up. And just like any other time that you've been sleeping or whatever, it's an unfinished hypnosis session and you just wake up from it. If you listen to my hypnosis recordings on YouTube and you're halfway through and you stop, you can just get up and go. You don't have to go for the count out. The count out is not actually needed. All you need to do is break that state and move into another state. It's like watching a comedy and getting stuck in laughter, or watching a horror movie and getting stuck in fear. Or, well, I guess that's the news. You're stuck in fear with that. But really, all you have to do is shift into a different state and you're done with the hypnosis. So if you get stuck in hypnosis, all you have to do is wake up. There is no such thing as getting stuck in hypnosis. So you're completely safe in hypnosis. At any time during the hypnosis session, you can open your eyes, get up, and walk away without any difficulty at all. All right, so you can safely do hypnosis without getting stuck. So thanks for tuning in, and make sure that you like my video and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for tuning in. Till next time, have a good one.